Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone joining us across time zones. Welcome to India Without Borders, a Republic Day discourse by global Indians. We may be connecting from different countries, but we share one emotional geography. Thank you for joining us today. I am Ashwati, joining you live from Berlin. So, joining us from Indonesia is Nandal, founder of Vande Mataram and Know Your Mission, India Mission. Living in Indonesia since 1995, Induji has been a teacher, literary artist, and a record holder, recognized by multiple Indian and foreign embassies. Induji, over to you.
Thank you so much for the lovely introduction. And yeah, you can see the jugaad, and this happens only, where Indians are, and we are proud to be that. We find solutions to everything. So today we are attending a Hanumanji puja in Jakarta, and see here in my car, so sweetly, our driver is holding the torch. That is my lighting system. No lamp here. And yeah, hats off to Yojana ji. She made us do all this. So I'll say Naman, and I'll also say salute to everyone, all the Indians today, because tomorrow we are celebrating the big day, right? So first of all, I would like to thank Lipi Europe, Berlin India Wale, and ICCR for making me part of this amazing event organized on the occasion of India's Republic Day. Uh, and yeah, I thank Yojana ji for inviting me, and you are doing great job, Yojana ji. We're so proud of you. And today's topic is India without borders and how our inner connection with India has helped us to shape our lives in a foreign land. So, in this context, I would like to express my views in form of two haikus. गूंजते शंख सरहद के पार सारे जग में, और मेरा दूसरा हाइकू, क्षितिज तक फैला भारत मेरा असीमित है. So India has no borders. India is all over the world. So the timing of my coming to Indonesia 30 years ago was very different. I completed my post-graduation because it is said, if you educate a man, you educate an individual. But if you educate a woman, you educate a family. So, and after exams, I got married and came to Indonesia with my husband. New life partner, new country, and a new beginning in a completely new environment. Initially, few months, the things were really tough, especially the emotional part of it. And gradually things changed with passage of time because my sports connection had taught me never to give up. All India Radio had taught me to connect with people. And the national newspaper of Indonesia gave me chance to write, and my All India Radio, that experience came in here to help me. So and then gradually I started sharing beautiful blend between Indonesian and Indian cultures. The Indian theory of Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam helped me to adapt the foreign language, people, and culture in no time. My love for languages helped me to get a job of a teacher in Rama International School, where I taught for 12 years. And the love for India helped me to teach students singing patriotic songs. And we presented them in Indian embassies, where the embassy officials appreciated us to generate the patriotic feelings in the new generations. So, and here I would like to share the fact that inspirations of my life are Ramayana and Gita. The teachings of these two made me internally strong. Their teachings on dharma means duty, knowledge, selfless action, devotion, ethics, and spiritual wisdom have carved on my heart, and they have helped me to shape not only my life but the life of my family in an unknown country. In each of us lives an India outside India. India is all over the world. On world stage, India's popularity is beyond words. Indonesia is a very beautiful country, and Indonesian people have love, and they love India and Indian culture. And I would like to now, on the occasion of Republic Day, I would like to recite my song, and I would like to say that it is our duty to pass on the rich heritage of India to the next generations. Now I will present my lines of patriotic song. The title of my song is Bharat. वसुदेव कुटुंबकम के सिद्धांत पे चलता, भारत सारी धरती को परिवार समझता, सांस्कृतिक विरासत उनमें भरती दृढ़ता, अतुल्य तीरथ फैलाते यह पावनता, सांस्कृतिक विरासत उनमें भरती दृढ़ता, अतुल्य तीरथ फैलाते यह पावनता, सारे विश्व का बनकर ये सरिताज चमकता, हर भारतीय का मानवता से चेहरा दमकता, संस्कारों में हिंद के बसी अखंडता, राम कृष्ण से पावन यहाँ की सभ्यता, ऋषि मुनियों के ज्ञान पर हम ध्यान धरें, भारत के हर वर्ग का उत्थान करें, नई पीढ़ियों को आओ तैयारी करें, देशभक्ति इनके दिलों में आज भरें, आओ भारत माता का गुणगान करें, झोली खुशियों से इसकी हम आज भरें, झोली खुशियों से इसकी हम आज भरें। वंदे मातरम। जय हिंद दोस्तों। थोड़ा मुश्किल था कार में अपने टेबल पर नहीं, ये यू कैन सी, एंड बिग थैंक्स टू माय ड्राइवर। So Jai Hind and Vande Mataram, and he is also part of our Republic Day celebration in Indonesia. So thank you everyone. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.
शुक्रिया इंदु जी, बहुत ही उम्दा, बहुत सुरीले शब्द, प्रेरणादायक शब्द थे वो। मुझे इस समय मेरे रोंगटे खड़े हैं, इतनी सुंदर आपकी आवाज़ में आपने जो हमें सुनाया, बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद उसके लिए। और आपने सही कहा है, भारतीय हमेशा जुगाड़ कर लेते हैं, हर जगह, हर कोने, हर पर्व, हर जगह हम जुगाड़ जानते हैं और हम इसलिए देख सकते हैं कि आज भारतीय जहाँ है, इसी वजह से है। तो
जी
बहुत-बहुत
बिल्कुल।
धन्यवाद।
जी बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद।